How to make AI covers or AI parodies in less than 5 minutes. AI covers like Drake AI that you see in the background here have been going mega viral on basically all of the social media platforms, and there's really only 3 things we need to do to replicate this. Number 1 is we need a sample for the AI to be trained on, so whatever artist voice or whatever voice you want to use, make sure you download a sample of their audio. Number 2, we need something known as stem separation. This is going to take their audio and it's going to split the instrumentals from the vocals for us, giving us 2 unique files. Third, and lastly, we actually need an AI model that can be trained on our vocal input that we give it from that stem separated file. So following that path, the first thing we're going to do is actually download this right here. This is from Grimes, and Grimes has already said that she gives explicit permission for anyone to generate AI music using her content. So we're not going to have to worry about copyright and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and download our source file, we'll call it, and then we're going to go over to a tool called LALAL.AI or LALAL.AI. This is going to be the actual stem separation model that we use. So we can go ahead and drop our Grimes file in right here. So let me go ahead and grab that from downloads. We have Grimes Oblivion. We will upload it right here. And then we're actually going to choose what we want. So we're going to separate the vocal and instrumental. Once we do that, you'll notice that it's processing. If you have any issues getting the say you download from YouTube on YouTube Premium, if you have any issues doing that, you can go over to SoundCloud and find the exact same file, essentially. I mean, SoundCloud has pretty much everything. So we'll go through, and now we can see we have our separated files. Down below we have the instrumental. Up top we have the vocals. We can then go through to process the entire file and download it. This will actually give us 2 files, one for the vocal, one for the instrumental. If you want to make sure that they're working appropriately, you can turn one off and one on and just listen to the separated file by itself. Let's go ahead and process. Now that we have both of those files, we're actually going to go over and start creating or generating our AI tracks based on the vocals we train it on. We're going to go over to Musicfy.lol, and it says no card required, so we're just going to click on try now and get this done for free. Alright, so here's the dashboard you're going to see. It's pretty straightforward. We're just going to select the audio file, and you want to make sure that you select just the vocal file, not the instrumental, just the vocal. We'll go ahead and upload that, and then we can select an artist that we actually want to train this on. Here we go. We actually have Grimes right here. We can do things such as setting the pitch or demo master, but then we can go ahead and just click on remix to see what it comes up with. Now, there's one other thing that we can do here because that was extremely easy. There's a lot of AI parodies going around like AI Sponge, so I quickly want to address how we can do that. We can take any vocal model. We're still just going to take the Oblivion vocals that we split with LALA.AI, and we can change that to things like Plankton, Peter Griffin, Squidward, or Loudword rather, and SpongeBob, and then we can just click on Remix, and that will generate whatever vocals we want in whatever voice we want. There's a new AI Joe Rogan going around that is actually pretty entertaining. Once we have the recording that we want, we can then go into any editing software of our choosing. We can grab any instrumentals we want and then just drag and loop the vocals right over top of them. Now, the actual instrumental track is still going to be copyrighted, so I cannot play it, but that is the entire method.